Hunter Kowalski. I'm in Success Fitness today, demonstrating my favorite dumbbell bicep movement. I really believe that this is one of the best ways to hit your overall bicep, and I'm all about time efficiency, especially with clients. Me myself, I enjoy being in the gym a lot, so sometimes I end up just doing more exercises to hit the same amount of muscle, but why not hit the most with the least, get the most for the least. So the bicep, real quick, its functions are to move your hand to your shoulder, flexion, right? And then it's also to twist this way with the wrist. And lastly, the bicep, this might be a little controversial to some, but it also raises your hand or arm up like this. So it's controversial because it's so much into the front delt and also a little bit to the bicep. But basically, what we're going to be doing is a dumbbell twisting bicep curl. So you're getting all movements, and I'm also bringing it up high like that. So let me show you one from the side. I like to do them alternating because then you can focus on one side at a time instead of going double. And it's a little bit easier on your low back too, if you have any back issues or if your back is tired from the training session that you are already doing or you did previous the day before, right? So here we go. And I'm going to start twisting. So I'm starting in a hammer position, hammer, hammer, and then I start twisting, and I twist my pinky as far as I can that way, and then at the top I slightly raise my elbow back down, ending at that same hammer position. Up, 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 twist, down. Up, 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 twist, down. Up, 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 twist, down. Another thing, notice here that I have my hand all the way to the right. That is going to make the actual twisting of the movement a little bit more beneficial. So let me just show you from the side. Make sure my elbows stay slightly forward. I come up, finish here, down, up, finish, one more. Okay, there you go. Dumbbell twisting bicep curls. Thanks for watching.